Ay, parang hindi nakaano to kay
Dok, sabay-sabay na ba sila?
Ready? Okay, get set. Go! Oh, lakasan nyo!
Okay, training. Magsalita. Kailangan mahanap nyo yung ano nyo, ha? Okay, wait. Alex, Alex, kung nahanap nyo na. Sandali, huwag kayong hanapin nyo. Hanapin mo yung ano mo. Okay. Pakinggan nyo yung trainees nyo. Right down, right. Okay, mag-ingay, right, left.
Okay, yung mga nakabuo na ng flag, punta na dito. Dito na kayo.
Dito na.
Flag. Okay, marami na nakabuo. Okay, Pastor, ang tagal ko. Nakabuo na silang lahat. Nako, Pastor.
Bakit ganon? Bakit hindi ka nagbubuo, Pastor? Ayan, nakuha ka na. Nakuha, taga mo na, nakuha mo na. Hindi ka marinig. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wagay mo. Mabuhay ang ating pastor!
Hello, ayan. Mabuhay daw, Pastor. Okay, we would like to thank our pastor for being a missionary here in Kuala Lumpur. For how many years? 13 years for this year. Okay? And ito hong ano po, itong cake na to, Pastor, ito yung sheep mo. Ayan o. Hanapin mo yung ano dyan. Hanapin mo yung black sheep. Walang black sheep. Lahat dyan white. Lahat dyan white. Ayan. And we would like to thank the Lord for your life. And ang message naming lahat for you this year, Deuteronomy 31:6. Oh, life verse mo yan eh. Ano ba yung be strong? Okay, kantayin natin. Okay, ready, go.
Kantay natin.
Be strong. Ready, go. Kahit anong kanta mo na lang. Be strong. Be strong. Be strong.
Take courage.
Do not fear or be dismayed, for the Lord your God
Before you, life will show the way.
So be strong and take courage. Do not fear or be dismayed, for the one who lives within you will be strong and move today. Happy birthday! Alright, and with that, pwede na tayong kumain. We would like to ask Pastor Erich to come for our brother Erich pala yun niya. Okay, to pray for our pastor and for the food.
Sige po, tayo po tayong lahat. Tayo po ay manalangin.
Ay, wait lang. Pastor, pwede mo ba hipan muna? Hindi matutuloy pag walang ihip. Ayan. 30 years old na si Pastor. Alright, sige, paparin natin.